everybody, what's good everyone? We have another video. Please stick to the end of the video to get the details of our giveaway. There's no one around me, so 18 feet rule. Today we're flying this drone up, so let's get it. Sorry if it looks a little wonky. I'm recording on the Sony HDR AS300, so hopefully I'm in a frame. I can't see myself. Look at this beautiful weather, you guys. Do a quick pan as we always do. Look at this building. I wonder if I should take the drone up and land it on the building. I've been wanting to do that, but I'm too scared to do that. We're at this wide open field. Well, sort of wide open field, so we're gonna just take it around, fly it a little bit. Alright, there's that building. Let's see what's up. Wow, look at that. No weak signal. Bad weak signal. Drop it down a little bit. Last thing I want to do is lose my drone. I don't want to hit these bikers. Got to be very scared, very careful, because this is very scary. I do not want to lose my drone. Alright. Bring it down a little bit. Let's go fly to the other end. Goes to the other end, no problem. Just bring it back towards me. Put it in sports mode. Oh, wrong way. Whoa, it's so quick. Oh my god, my heart's pumping. Oh my goodness. Take a thumbnail. Flip it around here. I'm not scared. Around the other way. Is I gonna take a picture? I'm not gonna take a picture? Why? Alright, whatever. Oh shoot, dude. That is oh oh it looks pretty good. Anyone down here in the ditch? I'm too scared to check. Oh, my blood is pumping. I think we're over here somewhere. Oh, it's breaking up. I hear it. There it is. Oh my god. Oh, my knees are shaking. Oh my god. Oh, that thing just slams down. Oh my goodness. Oh, oh dang. Oh man, that's not scary at all. Wouldn't it be dope to go over the street and go into that place? But well, I don't want to get hit by a power lines. Ollie Ollie oxen free. Oh, it's coming in so quickly. Oh man. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, I'm awake now, you guys. Alright you guys, that's it for this video. I'm just going to end it right here so I don't crash my drone. Please, if this is a pretty okay video, please like and subscribe, comment below. Make sure you turn the alert button on because once we do our giveaway, you won't miss that video. So please, you guys, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace, love, and happiness. Deuces. Boom. Let's land this bad boy where it was. Perfect landing, right where it was.